Hello friend, today we are going to push our first repository in GitHub. Without further delay, let's start. First of all, you have to just search for GitHub and hit enter. And after that, just click on your first link. If you are using first time, then you have to sign up, then log in. And after that, we have to create our first repository. For that, just click on here and after that, your repository. Then we have to create a new repository and name it as Google clone. After giving name, I just skip the description part. You can write your own description and then you set your visibility of the project. By default it is public. You can change with private. Okay, I just use public. And after that just leave all other thing as it is and create repository. Hmm. And after creating repository, just click on uploading. This is the first method we can use. Just click and choose the file. And after that, I use Google and select all. Here, select all and open. This is one method if your project is small and like you are using HTML CSS and you don't have much files, then you can use this method. And after that, just commit the change. It will create your repository. Here you can see this is my first repository. If I refresh, you can see. And the second method is, for that we have to first download git bash. Search for git bash and download. Just click enter and go to git bash download. And here you have to search for your machine and click on download. Here you can download your installer setup and click here. And after downloading, you can easily install by just clicking next and install. Leave all default setting. This is easier one. I already downloaded, that's why I am not downloading again. And after installation of git bash, just search for cmd command prompt in your Windows machine, cmd, and hit enter. And after opening of command prompt, just type git and hit enter. You can see this type of thing if your git is successfully installed. If not, then just try again. After that, I open Visual Code Studio and here I created a project of Angular and just use this new terminal. And after that we have to wait for some time. It will load. After here opening terminal of VS Code, just check your which is your root folder. This is crude is my root folder. That's why I changed directory cd crude and hit enter. And after that we have to create another repository again. Just go to same profile repository and create a new project. I name it as Angular, Angular, and then I'm again skipping the description, and after that leaving all the default, creating our second repository. And after that we have to first get init. This will ready our all other file in our repository. For that we have to just run this command, hit enter. You can see after this our file having green color. File icon or folder icon is green. This is shows that the git is Git is created in our project. And after that we have to just add other all file which is necessary. For that we have to use git, then add, and then we use dot to add all the files that we use. And here we add all the files. Okay, we have to just provide git add, then space, then dot, just hit enter. After that it include all our files. After that we have to just run another command, which is we have to add readme file. Just copy and paste here. You can see readme file is added. And after that we have to create our first commit. For that you can change the first commit name is by initial commit, or if you are changing in your project, then you have to again commit, which is second commit, then third. So that's why I just use first commit. You can change this name, okay, and just hit enter. And after that we have to change our master branch as m, which is main. If we are not using this, by default it is master branch. So that's why I just change this master by main branch. That's why I copy this and just paste here and hit enter. It will change our main to master to main. And then we have to use this remote command. Just copy all this, and after that paste here and hit enter. After that we have to just use git push u origin. If you are not changing main branch, then change this main with branch master, okay, and just copy this and paste here, okay, hit enter. It takes some time. Here you have to log in with your ID, okay, just sign in with browser, hit enter. And after that you have to authenticate. I authorize, okay, want your confirmation, okay. After that it start pushing your project, okay, and here our project is pushed. You can see, if I refresh, you can see our all the folder and file is pushed to this repository. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.